Good morning, Year 7, and welcome to Assembly. We spoke a few weeks ago about mental health and what you can be doing to look after the mental health of yourself and members of your household during lockdown. I wanted to talk to you this morning about physical health. Now, there's an absolute link between your mental health and your physical health. When we're physically healthy, when we're looking after ourselves and staying fit, that has a really massive knock-on effect to supporting positive mental health. So I would say that now, more than any time, it's really crucial that we're all looking after ourselves physically. Now, we don't have the benefit of being in school for a PE lesson with a teacher each week, but we do have Joe Wicks, and I know that lots of you are still getting on with that each and every day. We also, you've got your PE lessons sent to you, and we've also, with all of this time that we've got stuck at home, we've got a huge amount of time available to get out and do some exercise. I'm really heartened to hear from lots of you that you're doing that every day. You're going for a good, nice long walk. I know some of us aren't really making the most of our exercise opportunity, which I find a little bit worrying, but also a little bit silly, because getting out for exercise shouldn't be a chore, a hassle, a thing that you think, oh God, I've got to do that. I really want you to see your opportunity to exercise every day, to get out, go for a walk or a run or a bike ride. I really want you to see that as a massive positive part of your day. It's a chance to break the routine. It's a chance to look after yourself. It's a chance to get out and enjoy the amazing part of the world that we're lucky enough to live in. Now, as lots of you know, I come from London, and lots of my family and friends, they're still in London. And boy, is that a different lockdown experience to here. My nieces and nephews, they've got quite a long walk to get to a park that's, even in the height of lockdown, the park was really sort of overcrowded with people because there's so many people living nearby. And I just think comparing that to the forest, it's just a different world. We're so lucky here. Any of us within a short walk, we can be in the middle of beautiful, beautiful countryside, which is just such a special place to be. And actually, science tells us not only is to support our mental health, positive mental health, not only alongside physical exercise, the other most important thing that we can be doing, connecting with friends, but also being outside and being a part of nature. And we've got a lovely, an amazing opportunity to take advantage of that. So I really want to encourage you, if you're getting out and exercising, enjoy it, do it even more. If you're not yet, if you just think, oh yeah, I'll go for a walk around the block for 20 minutes, get out of the house for a mo, actually see if you can encourage people at home to go for a bigger adventure for you. Get out into the woods, go exploring, have a great time. It's such a wonderful place to be. Now, next week we're going to be welcoming some of our Year 10s back. Well, we're going to be welcoming all of our Year 10s, back into school to continue their hard work towards GCSEs. But unfortunately, Year 7, we're not going to be back in school until September. We now know that. So really, really crucial, absolutely essential that you're focused on your schoolwork. This home learning experience, it's difficult for us all. It's a stress. It's a challenge to get yourself organised. The vast majority of you, you're doing it absolutely brilliantly. You're doing such a good job. Keep plugging away. Keep staying focused. Keep making the most of all the opportunities that you have got. If you've got any concerns, get in touch with me. Get in touch with your form tutor or a subject teacher. All of our email addresses are on the school website. We want to hear from you and we want to support you as best we can. So we look forward to hearing from you if you need us. I hope you have a good week, and I look forward to seeing you next Monday.